Hi, welcome to the market alert for Wednesday, the 13th of February 2019. So yesterday the pound coming down, having a look at the 128.30 level, bouncing off this and moving higher on the overnight. No surprise there. We marked this in yesterday. Also we had the 50 bar moving average also in place here. And the detail is we saw prices moving higher, met by selling, the buy signal that came into the market, creating a losing trade there. We then see prices move lower, but we also see them test. We see them test twice, and also we get a 76% retracement there. I'll just draw this in for you so you can see it. So from this low to this high, you'll see the market sitting on the 76% retracement. Great indicator. Then the market moving back to the upside. Not a great range, only just over 50 pips there for yesterday. And then the market trading above the 200 bar moving average, which you can see there. And then on the overnight, the market holding above this at the moment. Bit of selling around here, but holding there on the highs at the moment. And also above the daily pivot, which is what the DP stands for. So if prices are above the DP, they are bullish. If they are below the daily pivot, they are bearish. And that's what we're seeing here. The market actually gets above the DP level. And again, there's a 76% retracement there. And then the market is off to the races once it gets through the 200 bar moving average in the late session last night. And on the overnight, it's found support at this area. Also, news today, it's just CPI and RPI for both the UK and the US, both of them manipulating these figures. It goes without saying, and we'll see what happens. I mean, how ridiculous can you have an interest rate of 0.1 and you're increasing interest rates for I don't know how many times since December 15 in the US? Utter nonsense and pure manipulation. We know that this has been the case for many years now. And moving over to the Dow, as I've said before, and I'll keep saying it, this market is going back to the all-time highs because that's what they want. After the move to the downside, it's been a one-way bet back to the upside, time and time again through the all the way through from the, I just bring this together. This is the monthly chart, and just do this. They have continued to bring this market back. You can see from 2009 when they started to fund it, any pullback has resulted in this market finding new buying from the Fed and new printing of money and moving prices back to the all-time highs. And that's precisely what we're seeing here. Doesn't matter whether it goes upon low volume or not. We certainly get the selling on the downside, but on the buy side it doesn't matter. They can manipulate this to the upside. Watch for the 25,667, then the all-time high 26,953, and then yesterday's intraday session, not too dissimilar from the pound there. You see the market moving up, pulling back. Where does it pull back to? As it usually does, from the low at 235 to here, we've got 76% retracement, and that's where it stops on the 50 bar moving average, just what we saw in the pound. Market moves higher, pulls back, 76% retracement here, and the market continues onwards and upwards. So again, no surprise for me seeing this at the moment. So I would expect this market to continue to the upside. Yes, there are going to be down days, but overall, until something cataclysmic happens, then they're just going to keep moving the market higher. It's the only thing that's keeping the illusion alive that the economy is doing well. Bitcoin, nothing to report. Market sideways, stuck again after the profit-taking phase by the shorts in this down move. It has to be now because we haven't seen any new buying to the upside at this point. Of course, it could come in, but you think there'd have been a follow through before now, looking pretty weakish there. Is how I see this at the moment. Okay, that will do it for this one. If there is anything else to report, I will let you know. But otherwise, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.